What's up guys? Welcome back. In this video you will discover how to remove background of a photo instantly on your Android device. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That will be very inspiring for me. Let's get started. Open a browser of your phone and type the website address in the address bar. I will give this link in the description box so that you could easily use it. Here is the website. It's called Remove Image Background. This is 100% automatically and free to use. It's very easy to use. Just upload your image and this website will do the rest of the work. Let's try this. I will click on upload image and insert the image which you want to remove the background. In that case, I have uploaded one and you can see instantly the website has done the job. You can download this remove background edited photo by tapping download. Here you can see our image is saved. If you don't satisfied with the result, you can edit this photo from here manually. Here you can add background, colors, or erase or restore. Pinch outside to zoom the image. Let's set a background. Let's try the blur effect. We can see the image of the background became blur. This is more blur. This is also more blur. It's really amazing, isn't it? This is photo in photo. Choose your desired background image from here, or you can select a photo by tapping here from your phone memory, or you can change the background of a single color by tapping at the bottom row. Select the color which you want. Which color suits your image. When you have finished your editing, at the upper right corner, here is a download button. Press here to download your image. Tap download image. Your image has downloaded. Use it where you want to use. That's all for today. That was a very quick tutorial how you can remove your photo background instantly. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get this kind of amazing tips and tricks regularly. Thanks for being with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.